Hi everyone, how are you doing? It's Lucia.turok here and welcome back to another property tour. Today I will be touring amazing 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom penthouse located within prestigious Hyde Park Estate. Would you like to see more? Keep watching! Right now I'm at Devonport on Southwick Street, and this is a communal garden which you have access as a resident. Also there is a 24-hour concierge in the building and lift which will take you to your penthouse. Oh, there is a squirrel! I love it! What I really love about this communal garden are a lot of palm trees and a lot of plants. Also you have some squirrels here and you can sit on the bench reading book or just relaxing. It's absolutely amazing to have such a beautiful space within your walking distance of your flat. And private communal garden. This lovely 3-bedroom penthouse is available for sale and I'm the listing agent. If you would like to book a viewing, just contact me directly or you can explore it on your own via 360 virtual tour. You will find the link in the description box. This apartment has 1,343 square feet and right now we are in a spacious and generous living area which has double glazed windows, and because the apartment is orientated southwest, you have plenty of natural light coming throughout the windows. I really love in the living room this gorgeous mirror which gives your space even larger feeling, and I can even imagine to entertain my guests here and to dance or maybe have like a ballet or something like that. It's really amazing. You have a large sofas here for a huge family, and also there is extra storage over there. Let me take you right now to a dining area which is really spacious, and as you can imagine you can probably fit here even like 8 or 10 seats, so it's amazing for entertaining your guests or if you have a huge family for like celebrations and so on. During warm summer days you can use air condition on top floor, and during the winter you have a chance to use fireplace. And let me take you to a beautiful kitchen. Wow, the kitchen is very modern and very spacious, and I really love this luxury chandelier. It gives you amazing atmosphere here in the kitchen. I can imagine to have a breakfast on this island here and to overlook your communal garden. It's beautiful here. Let me tell you something about the appliances. You have a Samsung fridge freezer here. Then you have a built-in Miele appliances, microwave, oven. Then you have a dishwasher here. And I really love this like light behind the stonework. It's amazing, such amazing touch. You have a 5-ring gas cooker. Also you have a grill here and then extractor hood. And this is your laundry area where you have your washing machine and washer dryer. The private terrace seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. Let's have a look together. As I mentioned, it's southwest orientated, so you have a whole day beautiful sunshine, which is amazing. You can sit here enjoying your coffee or tea overlooking private communal garden. Let me show you bedrooms. 3 bedrooms are on the 5th floor and it perfectly splits day and night life. Let me show you. On the 5th floor you have a hallway which has a beautiful textured wallpaper, and this is the main entrance door where the lift will take you to enter the apartment. This door is basically a rubbish area where you place your rubbish, and twice a day concierge will come and collect it from outside from the main communal hallway. And now let me take you to first principal bedroom. In all bedrooms you have a carpet, and this principal bedroom has beautiful wooden built-in wardrobes. And what I really love is actually this hidden wardrobe, which is basically space under the whole staircase. So every single space is very nicely used, which is very important in the apartments. As you can see, you can fit here even super king-size bed. You have plenty of sunshine coming into the apartment, and this is your makeup area, which I really love. And now let me take you to ensuite bathroom. This ensuite bathroom has a shower And I really love this large mirror in the bathroom with great lighting and a lot of storage for your cosmetic here. So you can do all your makeup, skincare for hours here. And you have a toilet and also a bathtub which has like a jacuzzi style. So I can imagine to be lying in the bath, reading a book, and maybe listening to music or even lighting some candles. Let's go. Next to the principal bedroom, you have a family bathroom with a steam shower. Steam shower is very large, spacious. You have a large mirror here as well and a real loud green color here. Toilet, and let me take you to the bedroom. This second bedroom is really spacious, and in many apartments in London, you will call it probably as a principal bedroom. It's really good size. You can even fit here not only king size, but even super king size bed. Throughout the whole wall on the left, you have a built-in wardrobes. So plenty of storage for your clothes. Even if you need, you can fit here another makeup table or design like desk if basically you have a kids and they are studying. So it's amazing and very spacious. You have a lot of light coming throughout the window. As I mentioned, it's a southwest oriented apartment. In this bedroom you have a carpet, and in the hallway you have a tiles and this large mirror which you can have a look how your outfits look like. Let me take you to a third bedroom. The third bedroom is currently used as an office, which is amazing, especially if you are working from home. Imagine to be sitting in central London in your own office, how quiet it is. I really love this about this apartment. In this bedroom, you have a wooden floor, and also there is a built-in wardrobe, which either you can use it as a wardrobe if it's bedroom, or maybe you can even use it for your paperwork in case this is your office. And that's pretty much everything. We are walking distance from Hyde Park, Marble Arch, and also Paddington Station, which is away about 5 to 10 minutes. We are on Sadwick Street. You have a lot of shops and dining restaurants available around, also amazing public transport. So yeah, that's ideal property to live in. As I mentioned before, this penthouse is available for sale, and if you'd like to know more details, just contact me directly, or you can check 360 virtual tour and explore the apartment on your own. Also, if you're looking for your dream home or to buy an apartment in London, just contact me and I can help you to find your dream home. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more property tours like this, and I hope that I will see you in my next one. Bye!